Solar energy, the power of the sun. We all know the sun is important. It provides for plants and animals and people here on Earth. But how does the sun do that? It is the sun's energy that makes life on our planet possible. Energy from the sun is called solar energy. It comes in the form of light or heat. Solar energy is what makes you feel hot when you sit in the sunlight. People have used solar energy for thousands of years. Houses were built with windows so that sunlight can get inside and provide heat. The sun's energy can also be used to heat water and even food. If you own a magnifying glass, your parents have probably warned you about leaving it in the sun. Solar energy can actually make the magnifying glass burn objects underneath it, causing a fire. This type of energy from the sun in the form of heat is called solar thermal energy. But what happens when a shadow or a group of clouds blocks the solar panels? The electrons in the silicon will stop moving, which means the electricity can't flow. But this doesn't matter. But this doesn't mean that solar energy can only be used on a bright sunny day. Solar panels can have batteries attached to them to store electricity for a rainy day. When the sun is shining, the electricity flows from the solar panels into the batteries. Then the energy is stored. We can also turn the sunlights into electricity. This is done with solar panels. Solar panels are made of a material called silicon. The silicon is heated and formed into very thin wafers. When the sunlight hits the solar panel, the electrons, which are tiny particles in the silicon, move and flow through the wires built into the solar panel. Using this technology, we can run a calculator, even power cars. Did you know that solar energy is not as expensive as it used to be? In fact, in the last few years, solar panels have become much more affordable for people to use. Since the sun gives off more energy in 1 second than people have used since the beginning of time, imagine what we could do if we use the sun's energy to power our planet.